So this is Tony. His channel is called Tagged Out, and he is a local YouTube creator right by me. He actually has 2 channels. Check out both of his channels. They will be linked in the description of this as well. Hopefully one of these days Tony and I are going to be able to meet up and do a little bit of collaboration. So that's the goal. If it happens, I'm not sure. I hope so. I hope both of our schedules can line up. So check him out. Like I said, links will be down in the description below. He's on a lot of different platforms as well. So we'll catch you guys later. Enjoy this interview. All right, we caught somebody else here. This is Tagged Out.
Yep.
You want to talk, say your name and everything and talk about your channel a little bit?
I'm Tony. We have several members. We're called Tagged Out. We do hunting, fishing, trapping, magnet fishing, just anything that involves the great outdoors we do on our channel.
So how long, you have another channel as well.
I do.
Do you want to promote that as well?
I do. It's called Homehead Chef. I was a certified chef for about 15 to 20 years. I was an executive chef, executive sous chef. I left the industry to do YouTube, and then things happened, and I started the outdoor channel. But that was called Homehead Chef.
Okay, so you've been doing this for quite a few years,
Yep.
the YouTube situation. So how long have you been doing it?
Collectively with both channels, Homehead Chef is about 5 years, and Tagged Out's about 3.
Okay, so you're pretty experienced, with a lot of stuff.
I know a little bit.
So you have quite a few videos, of course, uploaded, and I don't think I've watched a lot of your videos because I've just been so busy with a lot of stuff.
I understand that.
But I know you've done a lot of fishing, and you're local too.
Yes. Yep.
You're a local, person, local me, a little bit farther than Freezer Bound and stuff. So, you've done quite a few videos. What's your favorite so far?
It really just depends on the season. Topwater season, I love fishing, but then when deer season and turkey season roll in, it's different areas, different niches. It's just the time of the year that I don't really have a favorite, but just each month something new, something different. So
yeah. So with everything that, a lot of creators have stuff already filmed ahead of time. Do you have anything that might be coming out that is interesting or anything you want to promote as well?
No, not really. Where we kind of film based week to week. We don't go too far in advance.
Oh,
but,
okay.
We'll have a video on this whole rendezvous coming up on our channel. We have great things and videos that we work with our sponsors and the pro staffs that we're on and stuff like that.
Well, sponsors. Okay. Yeah. Do you want to talk about them a little bit too?
We're on the pro staff team of Mill Creek Valley Game Calls, Cass Cray Baits, PC Fun Rods and Reels, and Tideweed Camo. That's who all we work with.
Check out all those as well. Do you have any, I know you do use tubes, of course. Do you have any other social medias like TikTok or anything?
We're on all social platforms. We have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok as well.
Okay. So, hey, thanks for doing the interview and stuff like that. So check him out as well. And we're going to try catching some more people as well and do some more interview, meet some more people.
Awesome. Thank you.